We are reading English ahead. The topic is good neighbors and subtopic is preposition of location. And by the end of the lesson, you will be able to communicate the location of preposition. What is preposition? Preposition is a word that connects a noun or pronoun to another word. There are some examples: on, in, next to or beside, in front of, behind, between, under, through, around. Prepositions of location. Prepositions of location are verbs that are used to describe the place where a certain object is at a certain time. Review: behind, beside, between, in front of, on, under. Let's do practice on preposition. Look at the picture, filling the blanks with correct prepositions from the box. At, on, in, near, behind, under. The cat is dash the table. The cat is under the table. The mouse is dash the table. The mouse is at the table. There is a ball dash the table. There is a ball on the table. The mouse is dash the ball. The mouse is near the ball. Number 5. There is cheese dash the ball. There is cheese in the ball. Number 6. The dog is dash the door. The dog is behind the door. Number 7. The dog is hiding dash the door. The dog is hiding behind the door. Preposition of location are words that are used to describe the place where a certain object is at a certain time. For example, in, on, under, beside, behind, and at, etc. It means in, on, under, beside, behind, and at are the prepositions of location that are describing the location of a certain thing.